Okay, let's jump into the next question. This one comes from Ron Vanner, 5359. I had a Slakker rebuild 3.6 to 4.1. If something were to happen to my ECU, should I order a new one from Slakker with a 4.1 liter parameter entered, or would I have to send the car back to Slakker to have an ECU updated? Or could I update the ECU myself with the parameters provided by Slakker?
Yeah, no, that's a great question. So one of the big advantages that we have when we get the ECU in here is we can actually throw it on the bench and download all the files we need to off of it to make an exact clone of it. So at that point, we're able to buy a used ECU off of, either a new one from Porsche or a used one off of eBay, any of that same model of ECU, and essentially copy the files over and make an exact duplicate of the one that we sent out with the engine. And so it's a pretty economical backup plan to be able to replace an ECU if it was damaged.
Okay.
Just shoot us an email, and it generally wouldn't take but a few days for us to, if we didn't have the ECU, to get it in. Go ahead and clone his existing ECU that was damaged and send him the clone out. And
pretty easy, huh?
Yeah, that expensive. Definitely less expensive than buying one from a dealer.
Oh, there you go. Nice. Next question.
Yeah.